In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user account in Windows PC Windows 11. If you share your PC with family or coworkers, creating a separate user account is a great way to keep files, apps, and settings organized for each person. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, open the Windows Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. If you prefer using the mouse, right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and choose Settings from the menu. Either method takes you to the same place. Inside Settings, look to the left side and select Accounts. This is where Windows manages sign-in options and user profiles. From there, find the section for Other Users. Depending on your Windows 11 version, it may be labeled Other Users or Family and Other Users. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different, the options work the same. Now, under the area that mentions adding another user, click Add Account. You might also see it phrased as Add someone else to this PC. Windows will ask what kind of account you want to create, and you have two choices, a Microsoft account or a local account. A Microsoft account uses an email address to sign in and syncs things like OneDrive files, Microsoft Store apps, and some settings across devices. If you want that convenience, enter the person's email address when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows will guide you through the rest, and it's very straightforward. If you prefer not to use an email address and only want the account to exist on this PC, choose a local account. To do that, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. And then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. This option keeps everything strictly on the device without cloud syncing. Next, complete the setup. Create a username. Choose a password. Confirm it, and pick your security questions and answers. Pick a strong password that's easy for the person to remember but hard for others to guess. For the security questions, choose answers the user will remember exactly as typed, since these help with password recovery on the device. When everything looks good, click Finish. That's it. Thanks for watching.